Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off FaceTime incoming call vibration on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now I'm going to go back to the main settings page, and then we scroll down and then tap on Notifications. Next, go down and tap on FaceTime. In here, we scroll down and tap on Sounds. Now go to the top and then tap on Haptics. After that, to turn off vibration, you go down to the bottom and select None. By selecting None, you will turn off vibration for FaceTime incoming call. To turn on vibration, you can choose the default synchronized vibration pattern or one of the pattern from the standard list. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that is how you can turn on or turn off FaceTime vibration on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.